Hi everybody, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to draw a diamond. So let's get started. So in the middle of my page I'm going to have a ruler. This diamond has a lot of straight edges. What I'll do is I'm going to draw about a 5-inch line, and the reason I want to be exact is because I want to find the center. So if I go 2.5 inches, that'll be the center of my line. On either side we're going to draw a vertical line, just a little tiny vertical line. Now the center of our diamond, we're going to draw a perpendicular line coming down somewhere about there. That'll give us our center point. So then what we can do from here is draw a line up to that side and another one to this side here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this line that I drew here and try to keep it lined up the same way. I'm going to go over here to this edge, and I'm going to draw a line up, and then I'll do the same. We'll follow this edge here. Okay, and we'll slide that over, try to keep the same angle. Go right to our corner here and draw a line up, and then we will cap this. So we want this top piece to be obviously shorter than that. It's going to be the top of our diamond. So we'll draw a parallel line to this one here, just like that. And don't worry if you have lines, that extended past. You're using a pencil, hopefully you can go and erase those. Okay, next we want to go roughly, not really in the center, but we want to divide this half into two. So right about here and here, and we'll do the same on this side. So kind of break that up. If you want to be exact, you can go and measure that out. So this one here, we will take a line from there to their base point right here and go up, and we'll do the same for this one here. We'll go all the way down from there. Okay, and now roughly not halfway, but maybe just almost halfway, we're going to draw a line from here to this point up here that we drew, and we'll go from here up to this. Okay, now we're going to draw a horizontal line here to find this location. I'm just going to make a little dot right there. So that dot I'm going to connect to this, and I'm going to connect to that one right there. Okay, and then right here we're going to go just down a little bit from these points here. See that? I'm going to come down just a little bit, and I'm going to put a little notch there and here. And what that's going to do is going to give me a line from here to that new point right there, and this one to this new point right there. Okay, now from the center here, we're going to go from this center to that point all the way to the left at the top, just like that. And we'll do the same over here, from here down. Okay. And then what we'll do is, if you draw an imaginary line all the way up, find the center here, and then we're going to connect this one, not to this, but to this one right here. Just like that. And the same over here, we'll go from here to the center. Just like that. And then we can go from here to about there. And if you want to be exact, take your ruler, find this point on that side here, and then go up parallel It's almost in the center of these points here. You can make a little notch there. And then we will connect this point here to this point down there. Awesome. Now I'm going to do a couple extra lines. So remember those edges that we drew here, these lines? We're going to go up just a little bit from there. Actually, we'll leave the line so we can see it. So I'm going to go below the line, so make sure I'm horizontal and parallel. I don't want it to be off an angle. So now I'm going to go above the line, use the bottom of my ruler, and then we'll draw a line there like that. Okay, so the next thing, we can add some highlight shapes. So I'm going to go and just draw this like the shape like this, right there, and then I'm going to draw another one up over here like that. Just like that. So we're gonna have a couple like shiny bright spots there. So there you go. There is our diamond. I'm going to use my marker, ink pen, and outline this, and then we'll color it in. Okay, I'm going to use some pink and reddish tones to marker and color this in. So there you go. There's how to draw a diamond in a few simple steps. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel down below, and you'll be seeing a lot more cool tutorials. So hope you had fun, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.